Now we discuss another chapter which is measures of dispersion. Measures of dispersion. Dispersion means deviation. Because of extreme items in the data, the mean, median or mode, that means the average that we find out may be subject to some variations. Okay, so how much variation is there? Or how much the data is affected by this type of variation, which is measured with the help of this measure of dispersion. Okay, and one of the measure of dispersion is mean deviation. Mean deviation. Actually, we are discussing mean deviation from mean under individual series. Okay, to get a mean deviation from mean under individual series, we have to follow two steps. The first step is find a mean. We already discussed how to find mean under individual series in E1 episodes. Ignou, MBA, ms08, E1. Okay, and the formula is mean is equal to sigma x divided by n. And if you have any doubt regarding this, just see ignou, MBA, ms08, E1 episode first. Thereafter come to this. Okay. And the second step is find the mean deviation. To get a mean deviation, the formula is mean deviation. MD means mean deviation. Mean deviation is equal to sigma absolute D. This two bars on both sides of D means absolute value. Absolute value means we are not considering the positive or negative sign. So bar D bar means absolute value, sigma absolute D divided by n. This absolute D is find out by this formula x minus mean. X is variable and this x bar shows mean. And we have to consider this without sign. That is why it is given here as absolute D. Without sign. Positive and negative signs are not relevant here. N means number of items. Number of data in the question. We have to find out one more item, coefficient of mean deviation. To get a coefficient of mean deviation, the formula is mean deviation divided by mean. We find a mean deviation by this formula. Mean deviation by this formula and mean by this formula. After finding these values, just apply the values here and then you will get coefficient of mean deviation. Right? Now I explain this with the help of a question. Here's the question. Find a mean deviation and a coefficient of mean deviation from the following. The question is here 20, 25, 40, 30, 35, 45, 70, 65, 60 and 80. This is a question. Okay. From this question, now we are going to solve or find out a mean deviation. At first, these variables are written here. These are considered as x variables. All these variables given are written here in a column, x column. Okay. What is the first step to find out a mean deviation? First is to find a mean. The formula to find a mean is equal to sigma x divided by n. Isn't it? So x is here. Consider the total of this column. Take the total of this column, which is 470. That is the value of sigma x, 470. Then n means number of items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 items are here, isn't it? So n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. Apply the values here and you get 47 as the value of mean. Now we got mean is equal to 47. Okay. After getting this mean, then we have to move towards the finding out of this mean deviation by using this formula. Mean deviation is equal to sigma modulus d divided by n. Modulus d means absolute d. Modulus d divided by n. Okay, how to find out this modulus d? For that purpose, we have to construct one more column, modulus d column. This modulus d is found out by using this formula x minus mean. Each x variables are here. Okay, we already found out the mean, which is 47. Now, consider each x variable. This first x variable 20. 20 minus the mean value 47. 20 minus 47, 27. Don't consider sign. Actually, 20 minus 47 gives a minus 27, isn't it? But we are not considering the positive or negative sign. That is why we consider this as absolute d. Okay? Or modulus d. So, 20 minus 47, 27. Then again, 25 minus 47. Then 40 minus 47. In this way, each x variable minus mean value. Here the mean value is 47. Each x value is here. Each x value minus 47 gives this modulus d column. Take the total of this column. It is 174. We know the number of item is 10. The formula to find a mean deviation is equal to sigma modulus d divided by n. Modulus d value 174, n value 10. 174 divided by 10 provides 17.4. 17.4 is the mean deviation value. Okay. Then coefficient of mean deviation. Coefficient of mean deviation. It is found out by using the formula mean deviation divided by mean. Now mean deviation is available, which is 17.4, and the mean is available, which is 47. So 17.4 divided by 47 provides 0.37. It is the value of coefficient of mean deviation. Okay. If you have any doubts regarding these topics, or you have any tuition enquiries, just send your details to this or WhatsApp this number 924 9966 765.